What's up, my baby daddies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to attempt something that I've never done before. I've never installed a full lace unit. I'm gonna go ahead and go on YouTube right now. I haven't watched any videos yet. I'm gonna watch some videos and then I'm gonna just freaking go for it. Okay, you guys here with me? All right. And also I'm gonna be using my Ywigs to do this. Yeah, let's see what we could do. So looking for videos is stressful for me because I start clicking on people's videos and people's personalities are not good enough for me to sit there and listen to them talk. So the type of video I'm looking for is either somebody with a good personality that's gonna keep me entertained, or somebody that just hops right into it. Whoever's video I end up watching to the end is the video I'm gonna give credit to, because of course I'm gonna give my credit. So far I've watched 4 videos and all of them are boring the fuck out of me. And this is the 5th video and this girl jumps right into it, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna wing it because I don't like any of the videos. I don't know, I can't understand. YouTube videos ain't the same how they used to be. Like, they don't give you the details that you need, I don't think. But the most helpful video was by Glamazon. Her method, she used this type of brush, so I'm gonna use that method. Make a wish, it's 11/11. She used the pink version of the Got To Be glue. I bought all the Got To Be glues except for the pink one. I didn't see the pink one, but I'm gonna use these, okay? So she put a bunch of different layers. I don't plan on keeping this on for too long, so I don't think I'm gonna use that many layers. Pretty much put it on her hairline and did it all the way back. I put it on the brush like that. And here we go. This is my first time ever doing those crazy shit like this, y'all. I don't know if this is supposed to be on your hair. I don't think it is. I don't have a big forehead, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hairline. Pause. Because I remember seeing somebody say that you need to cut it at your ear. It might be this video I'm watching right now, but I do remember someone saying that you need to cut it at your ear, because I'm trying to get this place right here to lay down, but I can't. And I remember them saying that they took their ear out of it or something. Let me just watch this.
You guys, that's what I do.
It was this video. She took her ear out in this video. No, I didn't watch this video. I watched another one of her videos because she was just saying, like, I just made this up in my last video. I took my ear out through the wig. And so, yeah, I did watch that video where she took her ear out. But this is a new one. I did it wrong, though. She cut it in the middle of her ears and not on the sides. But anyways, okay, that's good. We got that down, you know. First set of Got To Be glue is on. Let me plug in my blow dryer. I don't think people use this method no more. Those videos that I was watching doing this shit where you blow dry, you put on another layer, blow dry it again, put on another. I don't think people use that method no more, because right now I just watch Glamazon just go tss, tss. Now she cutting it off. So I'm obviously late on the trends. Very late on the trends, to be honest, because like I stopped doing hair 2 years ago and that was when this stuff started getting big. I mean, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel wet. Maybe a little bit over here, maybe a little bit over here too. I don't know what it's supposed to. That's what the issue with these videos. I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. Y'all be like, wait until it's tacky. What does tacky feel like? That's dry. I'm gonna try and blow dry it down over here. We really going through this together, y'all, because I know if I feel like this, and I used to do hair, that other people feel like this too. Okay, this is drying it up. The reason why I'm tapping on it the whole time while it's drying is so I can know what they mean by tacky. I want to see how it feels when it's wet, when it's tacky, and when it's dry, so I know the difference. Oh shit. If you guys want to know the different stages, this is what you need to do. Now I feel the tackiness right now. If I wanted it to be tacky, that would have been perfect, but now it's dry. It goes from tacky to dry so quick. Yep, everything is dry. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do what Glamazon did, which was, she just, that was funny. I feel so stupid. She said, let me see how long she waited after she did the first level, the first layer.
Waiting for it to dry. And then I'm gonna do 3 layers of this, so this is the first layer.
So she says she's gonna do 3 layers of the Got To Be glue. She didn't say how long. I'll tell y'all how long, don't trip. How long it takes to dry. Okay, this one dries very fast and it gets really tacky. Okay, that took about 3 minutes to dry completely. The next layer, I'm gonna use a stopwatch so that we know exactly how long it takes. Okay. So I'm gonna blow dry it so we know exactly how long it takes blow dried. And then the last one, I think I'll just let it sit without blow drying in case you don't have a blow dryer. So it's dry and we're at 3 minutes and 7 seconds. So I was right, I'm pretty spot on. Yep, it's dry now. So I don't recommend you allowing it to air dry. And another thing I noticed is if you spray a little bit more in one area, it's gonna take longer to dry in that area. And I'm also pissed, don't do your makeup first because my eyebrows are gonna be coming off with this headband. All right, we're gonna do the last layer. So I'm gonna go get the makeup because the next step is to put your foundation color on your stocking cap so that way it matches your scalp. Before you put your foundation color on, I'm gonna mess up all of my makeup. You know who I should have checked for? Peak Meal. Peak Meal definitely probably got a video on this. Am I supposed to cut off the back? I don't know. I ain't seen nobody cut off the back before. One thing everybody did say though was that you have to cut off this white part. Otherwise you can see it through the cap. And this is where a lot of people cut their baby hairs off. This is what y'all bitches do. I'm sorry, I cannot be bothered. I barely even want to put curls in my hair. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and then put our foundation on. I think I have a lot of foundation. OMG, there's gonna be foundation on my hair. This is stupid. I already hate it, you guys. I don't like it. I don't like it. Y'all be doing the most. Hey, I can't reuse this whole cap. I can't just reuse it. It just be cool. Nah. It's not worth it, y'all. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Now I have to customize the wig after this. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I love this. This just doesn't feel right. That's the thing. It doesn't feel right that I'm literally putting makeup on my head. I cannot. This is my first time, so give me a break. I'm about to cut my forehead off. Like, is this fun to y'all? Is it fun? Like, if it's fun, that's different. Like, it's like painting, you know. Whoo! I cannot believe this. I cannot believe that this is what y'all be doing. It'd be serious, huh? It'd be serious. You want them to believe this is your hairline. Here's my Y wig. I probably should have like wet it and done all that stuff first, huh? Oh well, we're gonna have to see. I don't want to keep this on for too long anyways. I would go wet it right now if I cared, but I don't think I care that much. This is what the wig looks like. I think I need to cut off the lace around it and then apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and see if I need to play with the hairline or something. Now I'm gonna do the whole spray thing to hold it down. I think she put some on each side. Oh no, you can't get on my face, bitch. Strong ass glue trying to get on my face. And then she held the two pieces from the ear and she held it down and then she started blow drying it. We're gonna tie this in a rubber band because I ain't about to hold it. This is what she did. She held it here. We're just gonna tie it because I can't hold it and blow dry. And she couldn't hold it and blow dry, but I guess she didn't think about doing this. I've been doing this for way too long, to be honest. I can't do this all the time. I'm gonna do one side at a time. So I'm gonna blow dry this down. Then we're gonna do a different section. So now I'm just winging it because now I understand how the product works and all of that. And I really don't think we need to do all that extra shit that people make it seem like we need to do. Now that I've got my hands on it, you already know it's gonna turn into something way easier than what people make it seem to be. I don't even need that stupid cap underneath for what? To make it look natural? They know it's a wig. They know. Everybody knows. So dumb. Thought it was so much harder than they made it seem. All right, we're back. I've glued everything down. I messed up here. You can see a little bit of the cap coming through. A lot of people say to clean up the extra like gel and stuff around your hairline, you should use alcohol. I have rubbing alcohol, but I'm going to sleep. I'll fix it in the morning. I think I would have to play with the hairline a little bit. Maybe if I want some baby hairs. This is with no customization to the hairline. So I'm gonna part it. I'm gonna give myself a part. I think I want to do it on this side. I think I want to do it somewhere around here. And then to lay down my part, you already know how I do. So now we've given ourselves a part, and now I'm gonna pluck the part. You see that? Where I fucked up. I wonder if I can cover it up with foundation or something. No. Once a fuck up, always gonna be a fuck up. I wish it was gone. You ever just wish that your wishes could come true? I wish you were gone forever. So now I'm gonna go put some water on it and get the curls popping for the girls, and I'll be right back. My final review on how I feel about installing a full lace wig. There's clips at the back, but I think the wig is a little bit too big for me to clip the clips in. I wouldn't even be able to put it in a full ponytail, but I mean, I guess I can. If I really wanted to, I could stitch it down, but who has the time, right? The front, I mean, it's cute. And then if I was to customize this hairline, I was still in the game when customizing hairlines was a thing, not when like, you know, got to be glue was a thing. It was like you'll customize the hairline and you'll sew it down. So I do know how to customize a hairline. Y'all have seen that if you've been around for a minute. I'm feeling it. I love the way it looks. I love that I could do that. It's a whole different experience, bitch. I feel like people gonna be like, okay girl, with your whole full lace wig. The hair though, let's talk about this hair. So I put water in it, as you can see. I also put a little bit of conditioner, literally like 2 pumps, and I put it throughout the whole head. I will come back when it's dry so y'all know how it is when it's dry. But as far as my application, I think I did a pretty good job for a first timer, but I felt like there's a lot of steps that can be forgotten. Okay, this is not a review for the hair because I've not worn this hair long enough in order to give a good review, but this is an initial review, okay? Like my initial thoughts. My hairline is really boxed. My hairline is really boxy. I'm back, y'all, and I look hurt as hell, but the hair is dry. The hair is dry, and I said I would come back when the hair was dry, and this is just the look that I got. So that's all I got for you guys, but I look hurt as hell. Look, it is already lifting. My makeup is about to come off. I'm literally gonna have to just go wipe it off right now, but bitch, my hair when it's dry, I just love it. It just looks so natural and pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go out and do wonderful things in the world, and make sure no drama comes from anybody but me. All the links where you can find this hair and my social medias are in the description box. So make sure you check the description box. All right? I love you. Goodbye. Get off of me. I need to take this off. I can't do it, you guys. I cannot do it. Get off. Oh, damn. I'm about to rip my skin off. How do you take it off? Now I got to Google how to take it off. Oh, my God. I'm stressed out. Okay, bye.
God, give me grace. God put a smile on my face. God put the smile on my face. God make me shine like the sun. God make me shine like the sun. Sometimes I feel like I'm the one. Sometimes I feel like it ain't my fault.